CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Circle Internet Group stock buy. I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. And here's the thing with CRCL, we made lower lows. So this idea, like in entirety, is just going to be deleted. So now, because we've made a new range, the only thing that's going to make me be bullish here and propel things higher is going to be if I see this shift happening here. So I'm telling you, if I see this, then I'm looking to take it higher. Meantime, I'm just waiting for rules. I mean, yeah, by any means, am I just going to randomly buy here? Well, absolutely not. But either way, like I do have a bunch of receipts for CRCL as well. It's just, you know, trading is boring when you really need to just wait for rules to be met in order to move forward. And welcome to trading if you're new, right? Like that is going to happen. In the meantime, I'll just focus on other tickers, of course, and set alerts here and keep you updated, but not taking a trade unless the rules are actually met. So that being said, if you want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights, click the first link in the description.